Hey everyone, in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best kitchen faucets of 2025. We put this list together based on in-depth research, build quality, and real customer feedback. If you're planning to upgrade your kitchen, this guide is a must-watch. All product links and updated prices are in the description below, so be sure to check those out. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and how-to videos. Number 5. Faucet Kitchen Faucet. The Faucet is all about everyday convenience and smart design. With magnetic docking, a weighted pull-down hose, and a spray head that clicks smoothly back into place, it's built for ease. You get 3 spray modes, spot-resistant finish, and wipeable nozzles for simple cleaning. Add in a solid tilt soap dispenser, leak-proof forever seal valve, and lifetime warranty. This faucet is ideal for homeowners who want a stylish, reliable upgrade without the hassle. Number 4. WE Single Handle High Arc Faucet. If you want simplicity with strong performance, the WE High Arc Faucet delivers. The tulip design suits almost any kitchen style. It offers 3 spray settings: stream, spray, and pause, for full control while cooking or cleaning. It comes pre-installed with water lines and hose, making it one of the easiest setups around. Perfect for apartments, small kitchens, or RVs. This is a great budget-friendly choice with premium touches. Number 3. Kraus Bolden Commercial Style Faucet. Looking for that industrial chef's kitchen look? The Kraus Bolden gives you the open coil spring design that screams professional. Despite its bold design, it's compact and fits most kitchens easily. The dual-function sprayer, flexible swivel adapter, and ceramic cartridge make this faucet reliable and functional. It's also ADA compliant, and the spot-free finish helps keep fingerprints and water spots away with minimal cleaning. Number 2. Delta Lenta Touch Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Lenta brings a modern touch, literally. With Touch 2.0 technology, you can turn water on and off with just a tap of your wrist or forearm, super handy during messy cooking moments. The TempSense LED lets you know water temperature at a glance. It features Shield Spray Tech for a powerful rinse with 90% less mess, and Diamond Seal technology that lasts twice as long as the competition. It's an elegant faucet designed for serious function. Number 1. Moen Cinema Smart Faucet. At number 1, the future is now with the Moen Cinema Smart Faucet. You can control it in 4 ways: motion sensor, voice control, app, or manual handle. Want hot water? Just swipe your hand left. Need a precise amount? Use the app to dispense exact measurements, from tablespoons to gallons. With LED temperature indicators, wireless battery power, and a beautiful polished finish, this faucet is both a smart upgrade and a visual centerpiece for modern kitchens. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best kitchen faucets of 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if there is a faucet or product you'd like us to review next, we're all ears. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest home improvement tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you want a shorter version, voiceover script only, or thumbnail text to go with this.